हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम एक ट्रस एनालाइज करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So in this truss force there are no vertical forces, all the forces are horizontal. Coming on to the supports, यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक पिन जॉइंट है और एक रोलर जॉइंट है। रिस्पेक्टिवली हमने रिएक्शंस लगाई हैं, वन हॉरिजॉन्टल वन वर्टिकल। नेक्स्ट इज योर इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल डिटर्मिनेसी, वो आप मेरे पिछले वीडियो में जाकर देख सकते हैं हाउ वी हैव फाइंड आउट। नेक्स्ट वी विल बी फाइंडिंग आउट द एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन। तो हमने परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस लगा करके यहाँ पर एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन निकाल लिया है। अब रिएक्शंस की बारी है, तो हमने क्या किया है, सारी हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल फोर्सेस को हमने समेशन किया है। विल बी समिंग अप ऑल द वर्टिकल फोर्सेस एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस टू फाइंड आउट द रिएक्शंस। सो फर्स्ट इज vertical forces, there are no vertical forces, so RA1 plus RAB is equal to 0, so we have this relationship. Next is all the horizontal forces, since all the forces are horizontal, we'll be summing up all. From this we got our RA2 is equal to minus 70. The sign conventions what we are using here is positive x direction and positive y direction is our positive. We'll be taking the moment, so we'll be taking the moment at A point. A point पे लेने से हमारी दो forces cancel हो जाएंगे and we'll be getting RB. So हम यहाँ A point पे moment लेंगे. So 20 into 2, that is a perpendicular distance and it is going clockwise, positive. 10 into 4, clockwise, positive. 20 into 6, clockwise, positive. Now RB anti-clockwise, so we'll be writing. And from that, ये थोड़ा blur हो गया. Now it is clear. And from that we got our RB and RA. And we have written the units also. Do not ever forget to write the units. So we got our RB and RA. Now we'll start analyzing all the members of the truss. तो अब हम शुरू कहाँ से करें? A point से कि B point से? A point we have four forces in which two are known to us and two are unknowns. We have two equilibrium conditions. Summation V and summation H is equal to 0. B point पे हमारे पास 3 unknowns हैं and we have only 2 equations. तो हम A point से start करेंगे. Now what we have done, we have simply trace out our A, B and D joint. Remember all the forces outwards. तो हमने ये तीनों joints बना लिए हैं और अब हम इनको लिखेंगे। तो हम नंबर 1 इक्वेशन जो यूज करेंगे वो है हमारी all the vertical forces are equal to 0 और हमारी सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज all the horizontal forces equal to 0. Starting with the A joint, so we have seen that all the forces are in positive x direction or positive y direction, so we have written everything positive. How to resolve the forces? हमने ये formula use किया है that if the theta is given from the x-axis, we'll be using cos theta. We'll be applying this and we'll be resolving all the forces here. Coming on to the B joint, so this BC, it will be resolved and it is going up, so positive y direction, and this one is going in negative x direction, so this is negative. We'll be writing all the forces here. We'll be writing all the equations here. Positive x direction and positive y direction. One is your vertical, second one is your horizontal. और यहाँ पे हमने सारी forces को लिख के resolve करके और उन्हें solve कर लिया है. So we have already taken out RA and RB. We'll be putting in the equations and we'll be finding out further all the member forces here. तो हमने BD की value निकाल ली है और हमने BC की value निकाल ली है. Next we are going on to the D joint. Let's start with the D joint. So all the forces which are going in the vertical y direction, positive, negative y direction, negative. We'll be just putting all those things. CD equal to 0. When you're watching this, do not get afraid. It happens. Coming on to the C joint, we will be resolving all the forces CE, CF. These are the vertical forces. I am using sign here, and your CB I'll be using sign. It is going down, so negative value will come. We'll be writing all the forces, and your CA, it is typically in the y direction, so no need to resolve that. I am writing all the equations similarly in the x direction. 20 is purely in the x direction. I am writing all the equations and finding out all the member forces here. Next we are going on to the further joints. इनको सॉल्व करने में थोड़ी मेहनत लगती है, but it is very easy to solve because we are only using resolution of forces. So next we have E, F and G joint. तो हमने सारी की सारी forces और joints को बना लिया है and now we'll be analyzing them. So first equation is your vertical equation and second one is your horizontal reactions. So हमने ये पुरानी सारी values उठा के इनमें रखना है और हमें solve करना है. We have to simply resolve all the forces. While resolving, we have to remember that this resolved force is going in positive y direction or x direction. If it is going in positive y direction, it is positive. If it is going in negative x direction, it is negative. So we'll be simply writing all the forces here. And with this, we'll be resolving all the forces, equating them, putting all the forces here, values here, and we'll be finding out for the members. Here we have find out all the member forces. Coming on to the next joint, positive x direction, positive y direction. See, everything is negative here and we are solving it and finding out the further. In the last, what we have to do, we have to simply make this table. In this there is member, force and nature. All the members we have to write forces, nature. अभी nature क्या होता है? अगर पॉजिटिव आ रहा है we have to write tension T. अगर नेगेटिव आ रहा है we have to write C, compression. तो यहाँ पर हमारा एक मेंबर है CD, that is 0. So few members don't take any load. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.